everybody, welcome back. It's the day after and we are actually going to take the Pommes Anna out of the form. Now we've left it overnight with these heavy iron pans to keep it under pressure. Let's get rid of this. And your potato cake has a shitload of butter in it, so you need to warm it up. If you just pull this off, you're going to pull the potato cake in half and you've just wasted almost 24 hours of work. So how do you do it? Do it with flamethrower. Try not to burn yourself. You heat up the metal just enough. You don't need to cook anything. You just need to melt the butter. So when you see the metal dilates slightly, you know you've done your job. Just pry it slightly. If it moves, it's a good sign. If it doesn't move, just keep on warming. There we go. So, you guys remember, we put all the slices of potato and we press them. You've got the nice saffron color here with, well, the herbs. And now we need to turn it around and actually take it out of this form because we need to cut it. So, same procedure. Warm up the metal. One of the things that tells me that the metal's warmed up is when there's no more condensation on it. Next thing you do, give it a tap.
Fuck you! Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
Oh, that sounds better. There we go. So you take off the parchment paper. Still trying to be careful. Okay? This represents a lot of work and a lot of money. So we're just gonna cut off the edge and see what it looks like on the inside. There you go. That is your pressed potato cake. So what we can do now is cut it in the shapes that we want to use. The good thing about this thing is that you can make it a few days in advance. When you're cooking, it's good to structure the way you cook so that you don't end up doing everything on the day you're going to serve your guests, because if not, you're going to stress yourself out for nothing. This can be done a couple of days in advance and it's actually a good thing to do. You should think this is a nifty little tool that enables me to space everything evenly. Let's try and figure out how we're going to space this and get as many pieces out as we can. Just mark it off. You can get these online too. Like so. And then without changing the spacing, you just do it the other way. Like so. And again, my trusty high carbon steel knife, which I truly love. It's my all-arounder. So you just get rid of the edge there. Like I said, don't throw it away. This is good eating. Well, that took a little while. I really hope Simon fast-forwarded through all of that. But this is what you end up with, your little potato cake, which you can actually decide the size of. This is nice for one portion if you're just doing a main course. Remember, this is powerful stuff. This is not just potatoes, it's a shitload of butter. It's a lot of stuff, so it's very filling, you know. So try not to make them too big. And I'm going to show you how we prepare them for the party. One thing you can do is you can do them on a pan and then crisp them up, or you can just put them in the oven and crisp them up on the outside on high heat. So what you're going to end up with is something that's got the crust on the outside, but the softness on the inside. And then these edges here, you can just crisp up in the oven and, you know, serve them with a piece of meat, piece of fish. Or if you're a vegan, well, you can just eat that. It's pretty good too, except for the butter. but you can use margarine. So this is Pommes Anna.
And here we observe the Pommes Anna in its natural environment, frolicking amongst the butter bubbles. It seems it's trying to get crispy and sassy with its neighbor, trying to form a couple, though doesn't seem to be very successful. Oh, I was mistaken. Here they are together. Well, what a handsome couple they make.
Thank you for joining me on this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.